What's going on YouTube? That's right, we are back at it again. If this is your first time here on the channel, we do crappie fishing, jig time videos, and lots of giveaways. So if that's something you're interested in, subscribe below. Don't forget the bell. We're out here on Lake Weatherford and we are going to try to make it happen in this John boat. Last time we had some problems trying to stay on course, but we got a secret weapon this time. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go.
Guys, I gotta tell you, the audio is so bad on this video and I gotta apologize. I bought some Rode Wireless Go video mics.
Oh, get him on in.
They're lapel system.
Get him on in there, Dad.
It's gonna be one for me, one for Dad or Mama.
That's how you kick it off.
It will clear this audio up.
That's how you kick it off right there.
Please bear with me just a little bit longer. Thanks.
Still got a minute, huh? Man, that's a good one, Dad. Yeah, we're filming. Yeah, good job. Good job. There he is. There he is.
So let's talk about this secret weapon. This one did come off our big boat, but we got a quick change mount. It makes it easy to go from one to the other. But take a look. You can buy these things used for next to nothing. I mean, 500 bucks, it's done. And so even in these high wind situations, to be able to just hit one button and stay right on top of the brush pile within a few feet, I mean, it is game changing.
Yeah, stinking cat. If I can't pick him up without getting hooked. Woo! Almost got me. Simmer down there, cat. Simmer down. Simmer down. Big one. Oh man.